I'm Captain Bridget Grimes, Army Performance Dietitian. Being in the military, we're often spending a lot of time on the road. Whether that's PCSing or going TDY, we spend a lot of time in the car, and we're more inclined when we do that to choose more fast food options or less healthy convenience foods that are actually laden with salt or sugar. Here are some tips we're going to talk about today for what you can do to stock a cooler to make it a little bit healthier, so those moves and those transitions don't derail all your healthy eating habits. The first options I have for you are a couple of easy quick meal options that you can take on the go. The first one is a turkey pinwheel. So it's made on a whole grain tortilla. It has a little bit of hummus, turkey, lettuce, and some carrots for some additional crunch. They're finger food friendly and kid friendly, so a good option to bring with you on the road. Another option for you is a chicken avocado salad sandwich. So it's made on a whole grain bread. The avocado is a much healthier fat than doing something like a mayonnaise-based chicken salad. And the lettuce on here is a pro tip. It keeps the bread from getting soggy. So putting lettuce on both sides of the bread can actually prevent that from getting soggy, and then putting it in a container like this versus a Ziploc bag or saran wrap or something, that's going to prevent it from getting crushed while it's in your cooler. Next, we're going to focus on some healthier snack options. One good option is going to be some cut up vegetables. So here we have some baby carrots, but you could also do cut up bell pepper, maybe even some cut up zucchini. Those would be some easy, quick, finger food friendly snacks to have in the car. You could also pair that with some hummus to give you some extra protein and healthy fat for your snack. I also love these reusable bags. So much cheaper, more sustainable than using a Ziploc type bag, and they're going to keep your produce fresh while you're traveling. Another option is some cut up sliced apples. Those are going to be easy, quick finger food snack option while in the car. And then you can also pair that with some peanut butter or other nut butter to give you, again, some healthy fats, round out that snack option. Having an abundance of healthy, fruits and vegetables are going to be great for you. So clementines pack really well. They don't get crushed in a cooler. They peel really easily, whether you're eating them in the car or at a rest stop. Grapes, another great finger food that is easy to pack and doesn't go bad quickly. If you want to get more creative with your on-the-road snacks, I like to do a type of salad that doesn't have greens. Greens, if you dress them ahead of time, tend to get soggy and don't hold very well. So this is a mixture of some olives for some healthy fats and also some cherry tomatoes. You could also throw in a small amount of crumbled feta that could give you another option. You will need a utensil for this, so a reusable fork, spoon, knife combo, something like this would be a good option to bring with you in the car. String cheese or other types of chunks of cheese make a good option for you. That is something that you would want to make sure you hold well anytime you're bringing any perishable items in your cooler. Make sure that you're refilling your ice or using a thick reusable ice pack that's going to help you make sure you're not putting you or your family at risk of any type of foodborne illness. And the last thing I want to talk about is hydration while on the road. Oftentimes when we're traveling, we tend to drink less water because we don't want to make as many pit stops. But we do still need to make sure we're staying hydrated, so packing some reusable bottles of water, bringing some gallons of water to refill them can be good options as compared to a plastic bottle, disposable plastic bottles. If you get some taste fatigue and you're not into plain water all the time, you can always add some fresh fruit to it. Those are great options to be able to limit some of your calories since we're often pretty sedentary while we're in the car. We tend to do a lot of sugary caffeinated beverages, sugary coffees, and other things to help us stay awake while we're on the road, but trying to make sure you're staying hydrated with plain water or other low-calorie beverages is going to be a good option. So hopefully you'll take some of these tips next time you're on the road. Employ some of these family-friendly options to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet. And for more content and videos like this, check out hprc-online.org.